Straight down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Next step was to disconnect the battery, using the key to remove the battery cover. There's a rubber strap to hold the battery in place, and on the left hand side at the back there's a little grip that you can get your fingers onto, pull it out. Next step, remove the fuel tank. It's 17 on the nut and 14 mil on the bolt. Next step is to undo the wiring harnesses from the fuel tank and the throttle body. Okay, the plug on the other side needed octopus hands. It's a white plastic plug, which you can't see from there. Has 3 separate clips, and you need to release all 3 at the same time. This is the throttle body sensor plug. You pull the rubber boot off, and the trick is at the back, because it's latched at the front, you push that down and it makes the front lift up, and then it should just come off. But it's hidden behind the boot, you have to pull it right back. There's the click, and it's off. So normally I would crimp the hose to stop the fuel coming out. I have drained the tank, but there is a little bit remaining. But the other end is in between underneath here, so there's no room for those. So I'm going to have to undo the clamp and pull the hose off, seal it with my finger, and try and take it all off in one go without making too much mess. Oh. And maybe that's automatically turned off. That's the fuel pump, and without anything plugged in, because there is no fuel cock on and off for these. So I think that should be the fuel tank completely disconnected. Let's have a look. Oh, there's another clamp here or something. I'll feed that out. It goes up through the centre. I need to remember to do that. Everything else looks like it is free. And slide it back slightly, and the fuel tank is free.